This is my new video, Student Performance Predictor, and this is the code of the app. Now I will run the app and show the output view, load sample data. This is a 5 student sample data, product performance. This is the product performance, level product score, student recommendation, and student performance prediction and report. Now I will explain with the help of block. Student performance predictor Python extra for education analytics. In this field of education understanding, student performance earlier can significantly improve academic outcomes. Teacher and educator often rely on experience and manual observation to identify students who may struggle in final exam. However, the basic data science technique we can build simple tools that specifically student potential is the student performance predictor Python desktop application built with think test estimator after final exam performance based on key academic indicators such as study hours, academic previous assignment, completion rate, and sleep habits. The function of data and the practical educational tool. Purpose of the application. Classroom education data science demonstration, academic research, experiment, writing projects, and Python data analysis technology used. Python, Tkinter, and TTK input data format. Data validation system. This is validation value tenders outside 0 to 100 and extra. Predict logic. Concept and D rules. Risk classification system. Score identify low risk, 70 to 84 moderate risk, 50% high risk, below 50 critical risk. Application interface data input panel, sample data loader, predict button, summary report section, student prediction table. Example output. A typical report may include student performance prediction report. Educational value of this project: data processing, data validation, data engineering, project modeling, visualization, process feature improvement, machine learning, integration, linear regression, random forest, gradient, CSV file upload, graphical analytics, data integration, web version. Conclusion. The student performance predictor is simple yet powerful example of how Python can be used to build practical education analytical tools. By combining basic data science graphics with the application help education analyze classroom performance that students provide targeted recommendations. This practice is also action learning exercise for students interested in data science, Python development, and education technology. The GitHub code link is download and you can also study the code from here. Thank you so much for watching the video and